As Sprint Ahead works to frame a sense of place to energize and enable the art of transformative growth, we imagined it as a physical space, as a metaphor, like a leadership DIY center or store with an actual floor plan. We begin at the center with energy quality, wrapped by a collective leadership co-create community that builds trust that enables and radiates outward. The axes of we and me across work and life establish the 4 quadrants of the leadership game board where people are looking to engage their leadership mindset to create and go beyond the status quo. In each of the 4 quadrants of we life, we work, and me life provide support and resources for you and others. People are welcome to enter from multiple points of interest. To support the range of leadership challenges you encounter across strategy, culture, and leadership, a collection of specific tools and methodologies are organized in aisles dedicated to key topics. People have access to subject matter experts through a support desk and a business services pro desk. These surround the center layout and include support for individuals and teams. Examples include access to both professional coaching, life coaching, workshops, and cohort learning and development options. This vision is becoming a reality. We are building this out as a virtual platform for transformative growth. Sprint Ahead is a place for you and others to organize your thinking and take action across your life and work. The DIY store metaphor organizes what we are continually working to provide to individuals, teams, and organizations. You can access it virtually, or it can all come to you through our varied delivery options. But it goes beyond that. It's about community. Think about your own community as a store of resources that lives all around you. We invite you to join us as part of the collective leadership community and co-create the positive energy quality to enable all in the art of transformative growth.